Lung cancer detection using Python with machine learning. Lung cancer detection has dramatically improved with advancements in technology, particularly through the application of machine learning. Machine learning methods can analyze large datasets more efficiently than traditional methods, assisting healthcare professionals in diagnosing lung cancer more effectively. This innovative approach harnesses algorithms that can learn from the data itself, improving accuracy and reducing human error. To begin, understanding how machine learning models work is crucial. They require training on a dataset that includes features, or attributes, that can indicate the presence of cancer. These features may include patient demographics, genetic information, and clinical data. Once the model is trained, it can predict the likelihood of lung cancer based on new input data, allowing for rapid assessments and timely treatment decisions. Several Python libraries facilitate the implementation of machine learning in lung cancer detection. Libraries such as scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and Keras are among the most popular. Scikit-learn provides a comprehensive toolkit for classical machine learning models, perfect for beginners. It allows the creation of models like logistic regression, decision trees, and support vector machines, all of which can be employed for predictive analysis of lung cancer data. For more complex neural network architectures, TensorFlow and Keras offer robust frameworks for building deep learning models. These tools are particularly useful for image recognition tasks, which can analyze medical imaging like CT scans. By training convolutional neural networks, CNNs, on vast amounts of image data, practitioners can discern patterns that may elude human experts, effectively spotting early signs of cancer. Data preprocessing is another vital step. It's essential to clean and normalize the data before feeding it into models. Techniques such as handling missing values, one-hot encoding categorical variables, and scaling numerical data can improve the model's performance. The model's effectiveness can be evaluated using metrics such as accuracy, precision, and recall, ensuring that it is both reliable and relevant in clinical settings. In summary, lung cancer detection through machine learning using Python is not just feasible, but a powerful tool in early diagnosis. With the right modules and methodologies, healthcare professionals can harness the potential of technology to save lives. As machine learning technologies advance, the integration of such systems into routine medical practice offers hope for improved diagnostic capabilities and enhanced patient outcomes.